Hello viewers. Today, we will show you how to process a purchase cancelled note using SQL accounting software. A purchase cancelled note is issued when an order is cancelled after a purchase order has been generated. Here is a sample scenario. You placed an order for 20 chairs from a supplier, but due to a change in demand, the order needs to be cancelled. Let's begin. To do this, select the supplier. You may enter your description here. We are going to key in cancellation of furniture order as an example. Then, navigate to the purchase cancelled note, right-click, and select Transfer from Purchase Order. Next, choose the purchase order you want to transfer and click OK. Then review the details to ensure everything is accurate. And click Save. Finally, the outstanding purchase order outstanding will be cancelled, so that when you perform future transfers, this purchase order will no longer appear as an option for selection. And that's it. We've successfully completed a purchase cancelled note. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.